Hey guys, okay, so I'm doing my fall/Halloween house tour for 2020. It's finally here. I finished yesterday decorating, so I thought I would do the tour and put it up today. So this is the wreath I got from Hobby Lobby. I absolutely love this wreath. It's new this year because we needed a new wreath. The pine cones, leaves, flowers, and pumpkins. Gorgeous. Again, from Hobby Lobby. This we got last year from Target. Absolutely fabulous. Over here, I think I got this from Michael's, I believe, a few years back. Scarecrow pumpkin. And I got these stake signs from Dollar Tree. Fresh farm pumpkins, 25 cents a pound. Very, very cute. Over here, I put a few of these stakes over here this year. Also from Dollar Tree. Friends gather here. And then family, friends, football. Okay, so we just put like a little bit outside. Most of it is inside upstairs. So, okay, now let's go inside. Okay. Okay, let's take you inside. So the first thing I want to show you guys are these cute little dolls. These I got from Hobby Lobby, I believe, or Michael's 5 years ago. You've seen these in a bunch of these tours. And next is over here. So we have pumpkins here. Dollar Tree, and the big one in the middle is from Big Lots. And then I put these flowers here with the scarecrow. These pumpkins are from Hobby Lobby. Hobby Lobby. Hobby Lobby. Happy fall. Really, really pretty. Flowers are from Dollar Tree from years back. I think like 3 years ago. Okay, and then here really quickly, just this one sign, and then everything else will be upstairs. So yeah, pumpkin spice and everything nice in the kitchen. So yeah, that's about it for downstairs. And then the big shebang is upstairs, because that's where I do a lot of my filming and stuff. So yeah, let me lock this door really quick. Okay. Better safe than sorry. Okay, so let's just do the small stuff first. So, small stuff. Oh, let's turn this light on really quick. There we go. Okay. So I put signs here, which I usually don't do, because I had so many signs this year. Give thanks, friends gather here. I have signs there. Harvest blessings, and I have 2 of these signs you'll see in the game room as well. This wreath we've had for years. You've seen it in other tours. I believe Michael's or Hobby Lobby. One of those 2. Hello fall, thankful, grateful, and blessed. Fresh farm, locally grown produce. 100% organic. And I have more signs there. Gorgeous. Okay, so let's go to my room really quick and show you some more stuff. I have the ghosts from Michael's, skull from Michael's, and I put a ghost behind here, spooky. And then some new stuff I put stuff up here. Pumpkins are from Dollar Tree, actually everything's from Dollar Tree, and the owl. These are from Michael's years back. I have the orange pumpkins. These are garlands. Black and orange, black and purple, more pumpkins, and we have this cute little owl. Okay, so I think that's it. I will have a Bath & Body Works collection coming up soon, updated one. So don't worry about that. That's coming. Okay. Oh, before I forget, this pillow. Usually forget to add him from Michael's like 5 years ago. So yeah. Okay. I can do an updated room tour if you want, but let me know. But I'm gonna do the Bath & Body Works collection updated for you guys. There's more than just this, but this is just the main stuff coming soon as well. So anyway, let's move on to the bathroom. And then the main thing will be in the game room. Favorite soap right now. I will talk about this more in my September favorites. But Lakeshore Breeze, absolutely love this one. Mom isn't a fan of this one, so I guess I'm going to use all the 9 that I bought myself because it is so good. And you can use it like all year round. It's super, super good. These we've had, this is one of some of the vintage stuff we've had from like years, like 20 years, 30 years, like since the 90s. I think Target, but like in the 90s. These ghost candles and this cute little ghost pumpkin holder. So I put them here this year. Okay, in case you're wondering, for the bathroom I'm using Sunset Glow right now. Okay, now for the big shebang, which is here. So let's start here. A little mini pumpkin patch. Those stacked pumpkins over there I've had for years. Everything else is from Dollar Tree. So we have scarecrows, pumpkins, and corn. Leaves are from Hobby Lobby, again, 5 years ago. Had those for years. And this beautiful skeleton from Michael's. And I usually do the same thing. I put the skeleton there and the leaves. That's like a tradition every year. It's so just how I do it. Okay, now for the more extravagant stuff. Extravagant. So this is like my witch corner. Skulls, 1 witch, 2 witches, 3 witches. And these I've had for years, since the 90s. The skull stuff and the hand is from Dollar Tree. Here I have him turned this way, because when I film right here, you guys can see him in the background, which is kind of cool. So yeah, he's cool. Okay, now let's do a little bit more. Black Hat Society. So which corner? And then these ghost lights, which everyone loves. I don't remember where I got the ghost lights. Maybe Target, but if I did like mid-90s, like it's been forever. So a few of them go out, so I have to change the lights throughout the season, but it's worth it because everyone loves them. So let me go do a little close-up look. These signs are all from Dollar Tree. So beware, I have scarecrows, and it's like, it's a little bit of fall, but a lot of Halloween. Mummy, Pumpkinhead, witches, super duper adorable. And then, I love him. I know, the Pumpkinhead. Trick or treats, and then these 2 things I've had for years as well. Okay, and then the last little section will be here. Welcome friends, and then I have the Beware. I told you I have 2 of these. Happy Harvest, that's the second one. I call him the Grim Reaper. He's so cool. Isn't he so cool? He was $1. That looks so cool from Dollar Tree. Happy Thanksgiving, and then some mix of fall and Halloween. Off we go hunting. We've had that since I was like a child. So long. And then these, I already rearranged them. I just put them in a rubber band and I put them in the vase. Easy peasy. Hello fall. So, yeah. So, that is it. It's been the most requested video. You guys have been really looking forward to this. So, finally I got everything done. I wanted to get this video up for you guys. I'm glad you guys enjoyed it. And thanks for watching. I know you guys look forward to my tours every year. And here it is for 2020. Fall and Halloween. Oh, one last little thing. Yeah, this little cute little like placemat. I think I might have gotten this from Dollar Tree, or maybe not. I don't remember where I got this from. But yeah, I'm currently using my cute little lip gloss from Bath & Body Works. They're so amazing. Love them. Yeah. Yeah. Little station right there. Lotion, everything. Headache tablets when I have a headache. But anyway, yeah, that's about it, you guys. Thanks for watching my house tour. Oh, I didn't show you these. This little garland up close from Michael's as well. Yeah. Yeah. Anyway, thanks for watching my fall/Halloween house tour for 2020. Yeah, and I'll see you in my next video tomorrow. Until next time, stay fierce and fabulous. Have a wonderful rest of your day. Bye, guys.